Hey everyone, it's Nick here from bundleIQ. I wanted to show you real quick how to install the Chrome extension and just expand on some of the features and functionality of the app. So once it's installed, it'll basically redirect you back to your workspace, and you'll see the icon show up down here. And then also, if you pin it, it'll show up here. And it will search anything that you've put inside of the bundleIQ workspace. So right now we just have 2 notes here, and we have a library full of notes. So I uploaded 3 different books, Everything in Love, HHS, and The Power of Now. So there's a bunch of content in here. And what that does basically is once you upload the books, it extracts the text from the books, and you can do it with PDFs too. And then it throws the text into our AI engine and basically graphs that data so that it can become searchable. So if I were to search something here, it's going to give me the most relevant results. And this is kind of how you can basically use the bundleIQ workspace almost as like your personal Google search engine. So you can add thousands and thousands of pages of information, and then through the Chrome extension, you can search through that content. So some of these books are kind of related to self-help and relationships and life and things like that. Also food and nutrition and diet. I have a friend that's interested in maybe using Bundle for some life coaching, so I'm just doing some tests, but I'll go ahead and write something like Selfworth, and I want to see what does the app have to say about that. So out of the hundreds and hundreds of pages, it has 8 suggestions here. So we can read this one, and even though it says Selfworth here, the search is not keyword based. It's actually a semantic model, which means that it not only searches for those types of words like self-worth, but kind of all the other synonyms and words that might have that kind of meaning. So yeah, you can just see true self-seeing requires a willingness to look deeply at your own life and life change. Yeah, so it's really accurate. So that's one way of using it. If I were to type in self-worth in Google, it also will index your Google searches. So in a second, you'll see it pop up here. So you can not only go through Google and read content, but you can also access the content here from your knowledge base. And then if I wanted to, I could even analyze content from Google. And now it gives me 9 results. And I can even save content from Google if I wanted to. And so if I go back to my workspace, all of the saved content goes directly into your default workspace. It saves the content and then the source link. So, and if I click on that, it will also analyze the note and give me information there too. So as you can see, it's pretty powerful way to access useful insights. And the way I think about it is like if I were to kind of create my second brain, I read a lot of books. What if I could just upload all of these books that I care about, which is why I'm reading them, and then automatically access the content in real time as I'm working? That would be pretty powerful. And so that's what we're able to kind of bring to the world through bundleIQ. So go ahead and check it out, and we appreciate you being a customer. Cheers.